Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you and your family are safe in this COVID-19 situation. My name is Atul. I have more than 5 year experience in Tally product. Today I'm going to start a new channel where you can learn Tally and we will try to complete all the topics in upcoming sessions. We will continue this session and we will upload at least one video every week which will be help you out. If you have any query, you can leave it in the comment box or you can send a mail over learntallyua@gmail.com. So we will reach out personally and we will help you out. So today we have taken very small topic, which is how we can do the installation, because this is the beginning of the session. So we will take very small session, which is how you can install the Tally and how you can activate the license. After that, how you can configure the data. So how you can install the Tally? It is very simple. We have very simple 3 step that how you can install the Tally. You can just download the setup file from the Tally Solutions website. After that, you can double click. You can configure the file where you want to install, and after that, you can click on install. So you can see we have first step that you need to download the setup file from the website, which is tallysolutions.com. After that, you will get this pop-up screen. Once you will double click on this pop-up in this setup file, you will get this pop-up screen where you can click on advanced feature if you want to configure the data while installing the license, while installing the Tally. Or if you want to make the changes, like automatically it will take C drive path, C program file, Tally ERP9. But if you want to make the changes, you can click the three dot. You can see this three dot. So once you will click in this, you can browse. You can provide the path, new folder path and all. So you can see this three dot where you can browse and you can set the location. After that, you can click on installation, install. So once you will click on install, Tally will get installed and it will create a shortcut file on your desktop and Tally will get open automatically. So if Tally is not getting open automatically, you can just double click on the icon and Tally will get open and it will pop up your startup screen where you will get activate license, reactivate license, configure existing license, like this. These are the options you will get. So I'll show you the startup screen. So this is the startup screen and it will get open in education mode. You can see in the bottom, in the middle of the bottom, you can see this is the education mode and this is the startup screen where you can activate your license. If you don't have the license, then you can, or you want to learn Tally, then you can click on work in education mode. Once you will click on work on education mode, Tally will get open. It will not show the startup screen and it will get open, but you can record the transaction in 3 days, which is first, second and 31st. Other date, if you will select and if you will try to record the transaction, it will not accept because you are working in education mode. Now I'll teach you that how you can activate your license. You can click on your activate license. So once you will click on activate license, you will get a pop-up screen where you can define your serial number, activation key, and which mail ID you want to register with this license. You can mention that particular mail ID. After that, once you will accept, it will give you this to mention unlock key. That unlock key you will get over the mail. So before accepting this screen, you need to configure, you need to cross check the mail ID. It is correct or not. After that, you can check your mail. You will get an unlock key over the mail and you can define it. So how you can do it? I'll move to the product. How we can do in the product. So first of all, I'll open a browser, that how we can download the Tally. Okay. So I'll share my browser. So let me open the browser and I'll share the browser screen. Let me open browser. Okay, so this is the browser. Here we have to mention tallysolutions.com. So once we will mention tallysolutions.com, you will get one pop-up screen. Okay, here you can click on download. Once you will click on download, it will show you install now and download. Install now means it will download and install automatically. It will directly show you once after download, it will directly show you the install screen. And while installing, it will get download. And download means you can download the setup now, but later on also you can install. If you click on install now, you need to require an internet connection to install the complete setup. But if you're clicking on the download, then you don't need internet connection. You can just after downloading the setup, anytime you can just do the installation. So once we will click on download, so we have already downloaded the setup file, so I'll cancel it. See, I'll move to the folder where we can move. Now I'll open my web page, which is download page. So I'll share my screen here. So you can see I have already downloaded this setup file. I'll double you can see it will asking, do you want to install this app? Make it yes. Okay. So it is getting download. Okay. So this screen you are getting, which is empowering business. So new installation, as I told you, from here in the three dot, once you will click, you can make the changes in this path. You can define any other folder path and all, because it is taking automatically C program file tally.erp9. I'll go to install. I'll do the installation directly. It will take hardly 1.5 minute to install the tally. After that, we'll move how we can do the activation of the license. If you have any query regarding the installation or any other topic, you can mention in the comment box, or you can send a mail to learn tally UAE@gmail.com. Or if you want to get update for the new upcoming sessions, you can just subscribe the channel. So you will get the latest update. So you can learn. Let's see, we'll wait here at least 30 minutes, 30 seconds it will take. Okay. Uh, 20 more seconds. Hardly sometime it will take 2 minutes, but not more than that. Depend on the system speed as well. If you have good speed or good space in the system, then it will get installed, and it will not take much space in your system. Only if you'll see the setup file, it is showing only 60 MB, 60 to 80 MB file is there, the setup file. You can carry, you can upload over the mail, or you can carry in the pen drive. So anywhere you can just do the installation, and it is going to complete. Okay, yes, now we will click on done. Okay, so see, our tally got open here. So same option we are getting, and tally is coming on education mode. Okay, now we will click on activate license. If you are existing user and you already were using the Tally, and the Tally you want to just move to the another system or any other system, just in this case you need to reactivate the license. Okay, so first of all we'll complete that how we can activate the license. I'll click on activate license. Here I'll provide the serial number which I have already. This is the serial number, so I'll copy this and paste. Again I have the activation key as well. I'll copy this activation key and paste it. Now I'll provide the administrator email ID, which is, let's see, I'll mention the same, learn tally UAE@gmail.com. learn tally UAE@gmail.com. Just cross check once that both are correct or not and then accept it. So you will see the license will get activated. Just do not press any button while activating the license. See, the license is got activated. Now we will press enter because it will ask the unlock key. So it is asking unlock key. How you will get it? You will get over the mail. So either you can check from the over the mail. I'll not check mail here. So I'll just click on the get unlock key as well. I'll click on unlock key. It will take you to the browser where you need to provide the serial number. So I'll provide the serial number. So same serial number once I'll provide here, I'll get same unlock key which you will receive over the mail. So I'll minimize, I'll click on tally and I'll mention the unlock key number. After that, just I'll enter. Now you can see the congratulations, your license is now activated. Welcome to tally.erp9. Now if I'll enter, so you can see it is showing company info and the license and service information. You can see the serial number, valid till the expiry date and all, everything you can see here. Now company info, once the Tally will get open, it will show you the company info. If you are existing user, you can configure the path. How you can configure? You can press F12. Here you can see the data configuration and you can provide the location of data file. You can press Ctrl Alt V. You can press Ctrl C to copy the path from any other folder and Ctrl Alt V to paste here. Now you can save. After that, once you will save, you can see the company which you have already. So you can select the particular company and you can start using. Hope this session is useful for you. If you have any query, please let us know. We will help you out to understand and we will rectify your queries. You can leave in the comment box. You can leave your comment in the comment box and we will keep in touch with you personally and we will help you out to rectify all your queries. Thank you. Have a good day. Be safe. Thank you.